वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार। कबूल कीजिए हमारा सलाम। हमें कहते हैं मोहम्मद मोइनुद्दीन अली खान। So as we have discussed previously about personality development, what exactly is personality development? So just to refresh it and revise it, personality is a Greek word derived from the person's ability to do the things. If you are and there are certain pillars on which personality stands: self-esteem, self-confidence, good character, uh, and willpower, positive thinking, and good moral values. What is personality development and why it is very important? Development is defined as a process of developing and enhancing one's personality. And it is very important to have a positive impact on communication skills and the interpersonal skills as well. Already, as I discussed, personality development depends on character and conduct, self-confidence, willpower and discipline, positive thinking, and good moral values. Guys, if you are having self-confidence and positive thinking, believe me, you can do anything, you can create anything, you can change anything, and you can achieve anything. Why it is important? Personality development helps to develop and the identify the hidden skills and talent each and every individual have. Personality development helps you to set the short-term and long-term goals. Here, there are many people who fail converting their visions into actions. So personality development only helps you to achieving the goals and vision into action. Why it is important? Because it will create a difference in you. Being a positive thinker, you will see each and every aspect of life with a positive attitude, so that you will have a patience, and patience is the only key. And there are certain mistakes, but nobody is perfect and nothing is permanent. We cannot run from our mistakes, we can only learn from it. So now today I am going to discuss how to develop a personality and uh, how it is important for communication skills as well. For communication skills and personality development, effective communication skills play a crucial role in one's personality. Communication helps individuals to express themselves in the most convincing way. People with great communication skills tend to have a better, impressive personality. If you have a good communication skills, you can convince anybody, you can confuse anybody. For example, marketing. Whoever do marketing job, they have to convince the people or confuse the people. Then only they can sell the products. Effective communication skills strengthen the bond among individuals. Yes, if you have a good communication channel, you can impress the audience. You may have, you can address easily large group of people, and it is important to be a good patient listener for effective communication skills. Guys, don't be a quick, uh, don't give any reaction against immediate action. Be an active listener. Listen first, then reply. Listen not to reply, listen for understanding. This is a part of good personality. How do we develop good personality? Here, how we can develop a good personality. Keep a smart head and keep cool. It means be clear your head with all phobia failures. Keep calm and be patient. Don't copy anyone. Here you came. Don't try to copy in each and every step. For example, we do have certain clothing styles, fashion designs, fashion styles, but we cannot copy because size are different. Okay. create your own personal style. Correct, create your own personal style. If anybody is, for example, I have some, when iPhone 6s was trending, I buy some other brand. Reason, I don't want to be a iPhone with, I don't want to be go with a group of people. I wanted to be set my own choice. Example, don't doubt yourself. Example, don't doubt what will happen, whether I can do that, whether I cannot happen, what will happen if I fail, what will happen if I didn't get selected. Remove the phobia of failure. Be an active listener. Listen, always listen. Listen from others. Active listening also is like treating a person, treating a speaker with lots of respect. Learn how to have patience and focus on your communication skills. Be executive in dress. Don't shout or be aggressive. As I said earlier, don't give an immediate reaction against an action. Don't shout on unnecessary things. Be patient because nobody is perfect, and remember, nothing is permanent. Yes, there are certain mistakes. We can only learn from it. We cannot run from it. Okay? And don't try to compare yourself with others, because comparison with others will hurt you a lot, but comparisons with yourself will uh, encourage you a lot. Try to be spontaneous. Okay, try to be spontaneous with group of people. Create your own space. That's all for today. Inshallah, we'll connect again with next topic. Thank you.